Ever wondered if you can seamlessly transfer your crypto from the behemoth that is Binance to the privacy-focused Beam wallet? You're not alone. This question has puzzled many crypto enthusiasts. In this video, we'll cut through the confusion and give you a definitive answer. Buckle up, because the journey might not be as straightforward as you'd hope. Binance and Beam wallet operate on fundamentally different blockchains. Binance, a centralized exchange, primarily deals with tokens built on the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain networks. Beam, on the other hand, is a privacy-centric cryptocurrency with its own unique blockchain. This inherent incompatibility poses a significant challenge for direct transfers. You can't simply send crypto directly from your Binance account to your Beam wallet. It's akin to trying to pour water from a bottle into a cup without a funnel. The systems just don't connect that way. Binance doesn't directly support Beam, and Beam's focus on privacy necessitates specific on-chain transactions that are not compatible with the exchange's infrastructure. Now, while a direct transfer might be off the table, there are a few potential workarounds. Convert to a bridging currency. You could convert your cryptocurrency on Binance to a bridging currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These cryptocurrencies have wider compatibility and can be transferred to platforms that support Beam. However, this involves multiple steps and potentially higher transaction fees. Utilize decentralized exchanges. DEXs like Uniswap or PancakeSwap allow for token swaps between various blockchains. You could potentially use a DEX to swap your Binance-held tokens for Beam. However, DEXs can be complex to navigate, and slippage, the difference between the expected and actual exchange rate, can sometimes be significant. Explore third-party services. Some third-party services may facilitate transfers between Binance and Beam. However, it's crucial to exercise extreme caution when dealing with third-party platforms. Thoroughly research and vet any service before entrusting your funds to them. Regardless of the method you choose, prioritize security above all else. Double-check addresses before initiating any transfers. Be wary of phishing scams and avoid sharing your private keys with anyone. It's important to understand that these workarounds may not always be seamless or efficient. There might be additional fees, potential delays, and inherent risks involved. Always research thoroughly and assess the potential risks and rewards before proceeding with any cryptocurrency transaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.